I went in for a teeth cleaning. I came out with 6 new teeth and a root canal. So April had scheduled an appointment for us to get our teeth cleaned. It was a deep cleaning session, is what they called it. It was high pressure water, no real scraping. It was like this high pressure salt water got underneath our gums, and man, boy did my mouth feel clean afterwards. We went to this dental office called the Lotus Dental off of the main boulevard here. Once again, within walking distance from our apartment. It was a wonderfully clean office, very knowledgeable staff, spoke English and Albanian as I'm working on my bilingual skills. Also clean. A very small dentist office, just 2 chairs. So sort of when you walk in, you kind of have a front office area. There's no real back area. The 2 chairs are for the dental chairs are just in the very next room. You can see them. There's like a glass partition. So whatever they're doing to you, they're doing out in the open. It's fantastic. Nobody's hiding anything. When I was in Jacksonville, coming out of COVID, I started my job with the credit union. My dental insurance hadn't kicked in yet. I had 2 teeth that needed root canals. One actually had an abscess growing on it, and the prices were exorbitant, very expensive. So at the time, I had decided to have both teeth pulled. It was all I could do. Unfortunately, it was kind of the state that my life was in at the time. And I had gone several years with the 2 teeth missing from my mouth. One was a rear molar, and the other was a top not the incisor, but the one maybe next to it, 3rd or 4th tooth back. Highly embarrassing for me to smile and talk. There was a lot of shame that I felt along with having the 2 teeth pulled and just missing from my mouth. The dentist, when I told him that's what I could afford to do, said, "You don't want to do that. You just don't want to leave the hole in your mouth." Right? Well, I didn't have the options at the time, and it was literally like $5,000 for. COVID was not good to me. I am one of those stories of a lost business, lost a house, lost a wife, you name it, I lost it. And just to cap it all off, I lost 2 teeth along with it. So anywho, we get to Albania. I'm having my teeth cleaned, and I said, "Hey, doc, just out of curiosity, what's it cost to have the 2 teeth put back in?" I had fully intended on having implants put in when living in Jacksonville. She had told me it was for each tooth was about 25,000 lek, which is $250. But as it turns out, instead of having an implant, I went with the less painful route of having a bridge, which meant that I needed 6 teeth. I said $250 times 6. I can afford that. Let's do it. That is $1,760.39 is actually what I paid for the 2 bridges, 6 total teeth. Made of zirconia, the most expensive ones that you can get, the most durable, the most comfortable. So sort of the latest and greatest material anyway. I figured it would be 6 months. We'll schedule you an appointment. How your dentist goes there. We'll make an appointment for you in a month or 2 and come on back. No, this was, I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning, and we'll make the molds. We'll have your teeth ready and in on Saturday. And she started immediately grinding on my teeth, preparing the teeth in front and behind on both sides. Now in America, they wouldn't numb both sides of your mouth at one time. They would schedule one for one side and one for the other, and with good cause. Doing it in this way, yes, had some advantages, but also had its disadvantages. The advantages were, this is done and over with, thank goodness. The disadvantages are, both sides of your mouth are numb, and your teeth are excruciating. They grind them down. It is not by any means a gentle. She had a very soft hand, as they like to say here in Albania. So she was very gentle, very kind. Now, I don't mean to say that in any way she was overly aggressive or that caused me more pain than I would have endured in the United States. That is not at all what I'm saying. I am just a big baby when it comes to dental work, and I cannot stand it. And I am the amount of teeth pain is you might as well be chopping off limbs, okay? It is excruciating to me. I would rather have you start yanking out my fingernails than to do this again. But so anyway, I left from my cleaning with my mouth prepped and ready to go for dental implants or my bridge work. Next day I showed up. We had gone through and we had done the molds, and she had a courier and arrive and immediately took the molds, and she said, come back tomorrow at 9:30 and your teeth will be ready. I said, in pure disbelief, I said, okay. And in a state of overjoy and excited, I was in complete, total, utter shock that I've gone years with these missing teeth, hiding my smile, feeling the shame, not being able to chew or, eat steak properly or chips because I'm missing a tooth here, and it hurts if I get a chip in it, and if I'm trying to eat a steak and I take a misbite, this molar's gone, and that hurts as well. Now, to the negatives of having both sides of your mouth numb. So you can't really eat. I couldn't chew any food whatsoever while was completing the procedure. About to get to, all didn't go as planned or as well as I had hoped. So the next day I go back and I get my bridges in. And lo and behold, they don't fit exactly quite right. They're not quite comfortable. She is grinding on them as they are in my mouth. I'm not sure if that's the way it should or shouldn't be done. I've never had this procedure done before, but literally looks like I'm vaping. There's flying little particles flying everywhere, and every time I inhale to take a breath, it's going down my throat, and I'm thinking to myself, am I just getting shards of glass and things in my lungs? Am I gonna die? The answer to all of that is no, but feel free to debate in the comment section. As this is happening, she decides to make a phone call. The drill is still in my mouth. She's grinding away to talking. She is yelling at the lab because the lab didn't make the implants, or that they didn't make the bridges properly. The fit wasn't right. The bite wasn't right. And she was having to do all of this additional work. And what wound up happening is she was grinding down. She actually ground away so that it put a hole in one of the false teeth. And it had cracked, and as she was trying to make my bite properly, or make sure that when I bit down, that when everything comes down, that it comes down and it bites at the same time, so that I don't have any discomfort. At that time, one of the bridges cracked, and she said, "That's it. We're starting over." She started over. We redid the mold. She called the courier. She yelled at the lab a little bit more in Albanian. It's another difference that may or may not have happened, that probably wouldn't have happened in the United States. The same. The conversation with the lab would not have happened in front of the patient, especially while the drill was in my mouth, or in your mouth. But here, it seems to have happened. I was nervous, concerned. I very leery of dentists anyway. I have had some poor experiences, especially when I was in the Navy. I had my wisdom teeth extracted. That didn't go very well, and endured a substantial amount of pain. And ever since then, I have not had a high regard for dentists. Anyway, so back at the lab. This is now getting on to be about 8 o'clock at night. First of all, though, I got this story a little backwards. She had, once she had realized that these things weren't fitting well, she took them out of my mouth, sent them back to the lab. She had a courier come, sent them back to the lab. The lab had told her, okay, we'll have them fixed within an hour. I sat and waited in the waiting room. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. 7 o'clock rolls around. The guy from the lab rolls back in with my bridges that he has supposedly repaired and fixed. She goes to put them in my mouth. They aren't right. She's back on the phone yelling at the guy. Apparently he just took the bridges from her, said I did good job, and he did good work, and that he didn't need to fix them. To say that she lost her mind would be the understatement of the year. She lost her mind. She sent me home with this is temporary. She redid the mold. She said, that's it. We're redoing this. I'm starting all over. He's going to be more careful next time. None of this costs you anything. And come back tomorrow. We will have the bridges fitting properly in your mouth. So I did exactly what she said. I came back the next day. The bridges were complete. She had proofed them. We had them fitted. She put this one in permanently. This one is in temporarily because had a crack in it from a previous filling, and thought it might need a root canal. So she put this permanently, this one in temporarily, and she said, come back. I came back on the Monday. She said, how's everything feeling? And she said, did you wake up at all any of the nights, during the nights, were you able to sleep or not to sleep? I said, I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I had quite a bit of pain. And she said, okay, pull this out. We're going to do a root canal. I said, don't we need an oral surgeon or something? Don't I need to wait a month? She said, no, we're going to do it now. She's filled a syringe full of whatever the local anesthetic is, numbed up my mouth, and immediately got to work. About an hour later, my root canal was complete, and she said, okay, no more pain. I said, that would be greatly appreciated. She said, I'll put the back in. We'll do it temporarily. You come back in 2 days and tell me if you have pain or not, and you pay me for the root canal. The root canal was 5,500 lek, or $67.24, which she did on a whim. Like don't know that that would have happened in the United States. I think when they were talking to me about doing a root canal, it was weeks waiting for the oral surgeon or that type of dentist to show up at their office. I am now sitting here smiling wide. I have both bridges in. The root canal is complete. My mouth is healed and I'm 2 days out of it. I am eating 100% normally again, and feel blessed and very lucky to have gone to the Lotus dentistry. The cleaning was $48.90. Bridges, three teeth each, were a grand total of $1,760.39. And then the root canal was $67.24. I go back on the 15th, have just to make sure everything is still going the way that it should, and have bottom bridge put permanently. Like and subscribe, and send the video to whoever you want to. And guess what? I'll see you later, and I'll be smiling wide. Mir Pafsnet, which is goodbye in Albanian.